I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Doesn't this just remind you when you ask your client, right, let's take a picture, and they go all crazy with their fingers? Like seriously, that's just exactly what it reminded me of. So I had to share it with you guys because it was funny. Okay, so today we are going to be removing these full nails from our practice hand, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. Now I have recently seen this video also from Long Hair Pretty Nails, so I'll have hers linked down below, and there is also another channel and I can't say the name of it. She is a little bit smaller, the channel is smaller should I say, so I'll also link that down below because you guys may not have heard of her channel, but yeah, I'll have it down there for you guys. So I did apply the UNT peel off base coat to start with, and that is the reason we are able to just peel off this design. Now it is important that you apply the base coat to the entire nail and you get right up to that cuticle area, and also be careful with your acrylic application to make sure that you're not touching the actual nail tip, if you know what I mean, like you're not going past where you've applied the base coat because it will make it difficult. This one was extremely difficult. As you can see, I did have some trouble. So eventually I did give up on this one and I just moved on to the next one and decided I'd come back to it later on because I didn't want to end up damaging the practice hand, because if I slipped with this tool it may well just go ahead and slice the finger right off. So moving on to the next one, and again this was pretty alright. You just want to find a part of the nail tip that is slightly exposed and just wedge your tool down there, being very careful, making sure to hold your finger stable and hold the tip stable as such so that it's not going to rip it off the actual practice hand, and it just pops off super easily. Like, it was really great, and this is going to help a lot with being able to do more designs using my pooch's hand and this hand. Not so much the Glamour Liz because the tips in there just slide in and out, so it's super easy anyway for that. But yeah, I'm loving this idea. I think it's bomb and wanted to share it with you guys just in case you hadn't seen it before. Okay, so now I'm moving back onto this nail that gave me such trouble, and it did still take me a good few minutes longer to try and release this from the tip, but eventually I did manage to do it. I found a little bit at the top there that had actually already come off when I was filing the nails, so I was able to get under the crystals and really try and just pop it off, and eventually that did happen. So I'm just showing you guys as well that I did use the outer space pusher and scraper from Glitter Planet to actually remove these tips from the practice hand, and I do love that scraper pusher. It's a nice little tool to get rid of any dead skin and also push back the cuticles on the nails. So if you want to check it out, I'll have it linked for you guys down below, and also don't forget that you guys can use my coupon code NINJA10 for 10% discount. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.